Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. Stay safe at home, but pay attention towards your studies. Let's come to the exercise 2.4. Let's continue it with the fourth question. Fourth question is given to you. Factorize. Factorize we have done in our 8th standard also. We have done the 14th chapter was there on the factorize. It is related to the splitting the middle term. Fourth question we will do according to splitting the middle term. I am not taking the parts of fourth question. I am picking example from your book. I am taking the example 13 related to this. Then only we will come to the question. It's given to you 6x square plus 17x plus 5. We have to find the factors for it. In the previous lecture I have discussed which are called the factors. Factors are those which are exactly divisible, which are exactly dividing the polynomial. Those are called the factors. So here we need to find the factors of this. Splitting the middle term. What is the splitting the middle term? It's related to the quadratic polynomial only. Ax square plus bx plus c is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Middle term is called, which is always with the x. We have to split this term in this way. The sum of the factors should be equal to b, and the product of those factors should be equal to a into c. So let's see your b is here 17 and a into c means 6 into 5 is 30. We need to find any two numbers. Their sum should be equal to 17 and their product should be equal to 30. So I think 15 plus 2. What do you think? 15 plus 2 is 17, and in the same way 15 into 2 is 30. So we can say, we can take the factors 15 and 2. So let's solve it by this. Let's write here 6x square same, 17x, I write now 15x plus 2x. 15x plus 2x is 17x plus 5. Now we will take two terms at one time and we will take something common to solve it. How to do it? Let's take 3x common. If we take 3x common from this, we are taking always the highest common factor as common. Okay, so here the highest common factor x square and x. So x is only the highest common factor. 6 and 15. They both are divisible by 3, the highest number. So let's take 3x common. What is left here? 3 2s are 6. So 2 is left. X square divided by x. So x is left. Let's come to this. 15x divided by 3x. 3 5s are 15 and x divided by x is 1. Now we have to make this and this equal. These are already equal. So let's take only one common. You need to take something common, so you will take one common. Now we got 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5 is common. What is left here? 3x. And what is left here? Plus 1. So these are your factors for this polynomial. I hope you have understood. Now let's come to the, I am taking one part of this question. Let's take the fourth part of this question. Fourth part is given to you 3x square minus x minus 4. 3x square minus x minus 4. It means you need to take b. b is minus 1 here. And a into c is equal to, a is 3 and the c is minus 4. You have to take it completely minus 12. Because the standard quadratic equation is always ax square plus bx plus c. It means the x square coefficient is called a, x coefficient is called b, and the constant number is called c. and you have to pick always with the sign. If plus, then we are not showing it, but if minus, then we have to show it. Okay. Now we need minus 1 as the sum and we need minus 12 as the product. I think if we take minus 4 plus 3, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 and minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. So let's solve it by this. Let's take the factors in this way. Split the middle term. 3x square minus 4x plus 3x. We know minus plus minus and minus 4 is greater number. So that's why minus sign will come. Minus 4. What we can take common? What is the highest common factor? Only x. What is left here? 3x minus 4. This is the same value. So take only 1 common. So 3x minus 4. Let's take 3x minus 4 common. So it's left here x plus 1. So this is called the factorization.